Hello, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by. It's always a pleasure having your company. I am so behind with everything for the past few weeks. It's just been mayhem. It really has, ups and downs and round and in betweens. I won't get into, details, but it has been a little hectic and stuff. I'm behind with my savings challenges as well, but I'm here to do my sinking funds. I've got £50 to stuff today. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. And I will just choose a dice. I think I will do a wooden one today. Right, and here is the categories. I was thinking of taking this one out for now, the well-being. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And just concentrating on the rest. Yeah, I have got enough stuff for got enough money stuffed for anything for well-being. And let's just do this one. So I will leave out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I will leave out the 6th one and just concentrate on 1 to 5. Let's get this out of the glare because I really can't stand it in the glare. Put that a little bit here. The money here, and let's get rolling. So no 6s today, dice, you've been told. 2, and that is spending. There we go. 5. That's 2, 3, 4, 5. That's labor. Great. Actually, it's 1, isn't it? Well-being would be 1, so we're not taking any for well-being. Well-being was 1, yeah, so that's out. I'm not thinking straight. I thought it was 6, but it's not. It's 1. All right, so number 3, so that's 2, 3. That's hair. One, so well-being is out. Good. Brain's back to normal. 3 again, that's hair. Okay. Oh, 3 again, hair. Right. Come on now, come on. 3 again. That's all right. We've got 6, and that's hobbies. Oh, I emptied out hobbies. I think it was £25. I should mark it on the card. I think it was £25 I took out of hobbies because I had some stuff to buy. And I was very happy to spend it on my hobbies. 2, so we've got spending. 4, 3, 4, going out. Lovely. And oh, I've got a note here. Right, so I spent £15 out of here. That's okay. Going out. 4 again. Okay, so that is that. That's me done. Right. Oh, how have you been anyway? I hope really well. As I said, I've been kind of up and down. I'm going to just count up and see what I've got here. So spending has got 20, 25, 30. I needed some 5s, that's why you see the 20 in here. So I had to change some up. So that's, what did I say in here? 30. Yep, 30. And then with hair, should have a considerable amount. 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I think that's enough for hair now. That's enough. And then going out, let's see what we've got. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60. Would have been 60, but I spent 15 out of that. So that's good, £45. And then for labour, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. That's growing nicely. Got a couple of things that I need doing that I can't actually do, some drilling, so I have to get someone in to do that. And hobbies, let's see what we've got in hobbies. We've got £5 in hobbies. I have got a couple of things in Temu that I wanted, some craft supplies, but I'm just gonna have to wait. I'm not gonna buy anything. What I'm trying to do with Temu as well, I'm looking through all the £1 items and under craft stuff that I can buy. That's my spending. I am not spending over £1. There's a couple of things that I want, which is £1.28, stuff like that, but I'm still being adamant that I want to spend £1 or under, and that keeps me in good stead, to be quite honest. And I get some really good bargains, and I get lots of stuff that I really need at a reasonable price, because once you start going over the £1 threshold, it builds up. The £1.28, the £1.77, the £1.50, it starts to build up, and it's a lot of money you end up spending. So that is my goal, and I usually sort of like chuck stuff in the basket every month, £1 and under £1 items. So we'll see how it goes for this month. I've got a few things already in the basket, but we'll see how it goes. But anyway, that is that for my sinking fund stuffing today. And I was happy with the stuffing, all good. And that is it. Oh, another thing is, oh, for goodness sake, the weather is beautiful in London. Absolutely beautiful. For the past 3 days it has been gorgeous, and I'm so happy with it. It just makes me happy to see the sunshine in the blue sky. And another thing is, I'm behind with my savings challenges, as I said earlier on in the video, because I have lost my debit card, and I'm still waiting to get one, even though I was a week behind with my last stuffing. So I've always had a week to catch up, and I haven't done it yet. So I've got 3 weeks to go. I've got to stuff for April the 26th and May the 3rd and May the 10th. So I've got to get that done. So I'm waiting for my debit card to come back so I can take the money out and do my savings challenges. But just take it in your stride. I'm not stressing, not worried. I want to be accountable to you. That is why I will definitely stuff my envelopes as soon as I get my card and I can take the money out of the account. I just want to be accountable. But anyway, if you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. Take care of your good selves and see you back soon. Bye for now.